Hello, this is Crunch. Crunch is my take on a cracker. Okay, see this? Oh. So this is what I use. I could actually finger palm this. Alright, I'll show you how to reset this in a second in detail. For now, I'll show you how that was done, the previous routine. Alright, there are actually two parts. This part looks like a screw, this part looks like a nut. When I put them together like this, yes, there is more. I could insert my ring finger here and palm it like this. So before you do your finger cracking routine, you could walk around and transfer this to the classic palm. Hold up your finger right here, and you pretend to crack a finger. At the same time, you push the two parts together, the screw and the nut. Oh, and with some acting. Then you could transfer it to finger palm, and then do whatever you transfer you like to ditch it. So this is for ditching, and maybe the sound maybe is not very loud, but consider its size. You may want to get one from me, and it's free. Yes, it's free. You could print this. The file is right there, and you need a printer that you could print with dents and small parts, small detail. And when you put them together for the first time, they may not come off if unfortunately you are using a printer that is printing thick walls. Then it does not come off. Don't worry about this. You just insert a screwdriver here. There's a gap here, a slot. You insert it right there and you turn. It should come off. All right, you should be able to put them apart. Otherwise, use a pincer to pull it. And then for this one I just pull it apart like this. Otherwise, you need pincers. You need pincers or a pen to push this part. Then they'll come apart if they are too thick. Okay, then you're going to grind the inner part, grind these parts either by back and forth, or you grind it with the tool you need. All right, another routine that you could do with this is to say do the lemon green up down out, up down out, right? That kind of routine. And then you say that's the shortcut. Then you show your hand is broken. So get one of these from me for free. This is my take on a cracker. See you then.